This is my fourth time. In fact, I remember very well of coming to this site. This project has been a headache for me. Like I said, the contractor said this job was awarded 2014, taking us 11 years. That tells you, obviously, the price can be the same. So when I came, there was a price variation, which is, of course, but I commend the salary on this particular project, but I never believe that may will be actualized. You see, they are talking with authority, and I believe them. The last time we came, we stopped at the back there, but so where we are today, which means in the next 2 weeks, we will have completed this bridge. I'm happy for what I'm seeing, and we've been to Court of Appeal. Of course, that will be completed by September. We've been to Sussex. That will be commissioned by them. And today, it's also be completed by me. How happy one would be in life that you made a promise and you fulfill the promise. I have to thank Mr. President. This is really actually what we call the hope agenda. Really hope that hope has come back to our people. People are happy. Promises made, promises fulfilled. And that's all about democracy. That's all about dividends of the democracy. I'm happy to be part of Mr. President's administration to have given back hope to our people. So you can see the quality of work. All the contractors that are doing the jobs are quality contractors. Yesterday you went to and you saw what is going on in the National Conference Center, what's going on in the issue. Today you are here, you've been to Sussex, you've been to Court here, now you've been to Nowhere Access. I'm very happy. I can tell you, I'm very, very happy. Very happy.
Honorable Minister, tell us, sir, please, we would like to know how has the availability of funds improved on the completion of abandoned projects? We know when you came in, a lot of abandoned projects were scattered across the territory.
Project management is key. You can have more funds, but if you don't manage it well, you will not achieve. What's important is to apply the tools deliciously, and that's what you are seeing the result today. I have always maintained that I will not start a project when I know there are no funds. Not just for the sake of awarding contract. What people want is not just award contract. Award and complete for them to use. If you award contract and it becomes an abandoned project, it doesn't make any sense. So we have managed the little funds we have, and that's why we are going to be very aggressive in our revenue drive to be able to achieve more projects. If we are not, that's why when people complain that we are revoking a sea of those, people will not understand that it's from only such payments access that we will be able to carry out projects that will be meaningful, that have positive impact on the lives of our people. You can imagine when this road is completed, what it will happen. It's not something you can say, look, that you can underestimate. So we are appealing to our people. It's not politics. It's about being responsible, being responsible. Government has given you land for you to pay yearly annual grant rent for us to use for the development. So many people call you every day, oh, we see what you're doing, can you extend it to our own area? Yes, we want to extend, but if the money is there, and how will the money be there? It's only when you pay taxes. So we're very, very aggressive, very, very aggressive. Within the limits of the law, we're very aggressive in our every drive so that we can complete all the projects that we have started.
Okay, Excellency, on final note, sir, talking about the renewed hope agenda of the Mr. President, what is support to the residents to have the meeting and also key into the agenda?
What gives confidence to people is that what is government said they will do this, and government is doing it. That enough is giving people confidence to not that belief. But if you give them, if you tell them you will do something and it's not done, what hope are you giving? What confidence are you giving? They will say forget it. That's why they will just tell us. But everybody knows in FCT today that this government, when they say they will do this, and they see it's being done, That is what it's supposed to be. But once people have confidence, and even the contractors have confidence, you see, one thing must know, you may not have the money, but contractor has that belief that when you get the money, you will pay. The contractor will go ahead. And you must create that level of confidence. And that's what we've done. Creating confidence in our people, creating confidence in the contractors. That's what it's supposed to be. And that's what we're achieving, today.
Thank you. Let's move. Come back.
Yeah, we're going to what about the lights?
Sorry, Your Excellency, for this Neptune service corridor, no street lights. That is the original scope. Yes. 2017 and
in the heart of the city where stories unfold. Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the